In this video, we will be discussing about how to fill course outlines and topic subtopics in our course files on ERP system. So for that purpose, when we log into the ERP system, by default we are in a faculty role. So we go to the academics menu. In academics, here we find one option, that is course outline. So we click on this course outline. Select the program, select a subject for which we want to fill the details. So we select this subject. Then fill all the necessary details here. Course description, okay. Provide the learning objectives, details regarding the group projects which we are going to discuss in this particular subject, then the case study assignments, textbooks, reference material, reference books. So we provide all these information in our course outline, the class rules, the punctuality and class behavior. Everything we provide here in the course outline and the learning outcomes, and then we save these details. So this particular information which we have filled under this particular course, it is visible in our course file. So if you open course file of this particular subject and if you click on this tab course outline, you will able to see all those details here. Now from the course file we cannot edit, we cannot update the course outline. Here we can only able to view the course outline. Now the next point is we want to fill topics and subtopics of this particular course. Now from course file we can only able to view topics and subtopics. If you want to insert, if you want to fill the topics and subtopics for your course file, then we again go to the previous option, that is academics menu, course outline. In course outline, again we have to select the program and the course. So we select the course and we click on this particular option, topic and subtopic. Now here there are two options for uploading or filling the topic and subtopic in this particular course file. Either you can download the template, it will be downloaded in the Excel format. You fill all the detail in that Excel sheet and you can upload. The second option is, with the help of this graphical user interface, you can provide all the details. So to add the topic, we click on this button, add topic, type the topic number is 2. Remember that the topic number is always a numeric value. It is also mentioned here, only numeric value it accepts. The topic name, brief outline of the deliverable, book references, prerequisite. So we fill learning objectives. So we have to provide all these details and we save. So in this way we insert all the topics from the syllabus. The topic is nothing but a name of the chapter which is available in the syllabus. So normally in every subject, in every course, we have 6 chapters. So in this course file, there will be 6 topics. And under each topic, then we are going to insert the subtopics. So if we want to insert subtopic for this topic number 1, we click here, click on this view subtopics and click again on this button, add subtopic. So the first subtopic will be 1.1. Subtopic name will be introduction, teaching methodology. Okay, here we can say classroom teaching, book references. You can provide the list of books, prerequisites, and then save. So we have inserted one subtopic under this particular topic. If you want to insert another subtopic, again click on this add subtopic. Now it will be 1.2. Subtopic name will be definition. Okay, you can provide all these details and save. Now if you want to edit any subtopic, so simply click on this button, edit record. So it will allow you to edit all these details and save. If you want to delete any subtopic, click on this icon, it will delete. So in this way, you can fill the topics and subtopics in your course file. There is another option. With the help of Excel sheet also, you can upload topics and subtopics. So for that purpose, if you want to upload topics, click here to download the template. So it will download the Excel sheet template. You have to open that template. Now we will add topic number 3 with the help of this template. Okay. So we will add topic number 3 here. Okay, we save this, we close this template and click here upload topics and browse. In the download folder you will find this template, records updated successfully. Now we will see whether all the topics and subtopics are visible in our course file or not. Yes. See, the topic number 3 is there, which we have uploaded through this template. So in this way, you can fill the course outline for your course file, and as well as you can upload topics and subtopics. Thank you.